Good afternoon, MyBlindCo users. Today, I'm going to show you a great new feature we've added called line grouping. So give you a scenario. So you walk into a house and the customer says, oh, it's a brand new house and they don't have any window treatments and they're not sure how much they can swing with this first quote. So, how often have you got this question? Hey, can you give me the price on just the living room or just the basement or just the upstairs? So we've added line grouping so you can be able to create subtotals within the quote. So not only does it show the actual total, like the whole house will be 10,000 and the living room is going to be 3,000, the basement 2,000. You can show all that on one quote. So I'm going to show you how to set that up for you guys. So couple points. If you look to the right of my screen, if you don't set it up, you won't notice a difference. You won't even know that feature exists. So I want to bring your attention to the portal version to get the line grouping feature activated. It's real simple. You just log into the portal version, go to My Business Company Profile, and you'll notice a new field here, number of quotes, line groups. You have up until 10, so you can activate 10, 5, it really doesn't matter, but put in a number up to 10 there, hit save. And at this point, you'll see it when you start building a quote. So I'm going to go ahead and synchronize here and go back out and then go back in. And let's make sure that syncs. And I might need to create a new quote, actually. There. So you'll see when you create a new quote, a new field, it looks like Go, but really this is, it's your groups. So here is where you can group the lines. So as you're quoting, you can group, say, dining room, group 1, living room, group 2, and so forth. And once you have all your lines grouped, you'll start seeing the subtotals. So let's save this quote and edit this line. I'll make this one group 1 and make this one group 2, save. And then here you can see your subtotals. So first group was dining room, subtotal 893, and then living room was 223. So then hit save, and it also shows up on your PDF too. So if we come here and share and print, you can also present this to your customer. So that's it, guys. Hope you enjoy that new feature called line grouping. Don't forget to visit the portal version, My Business Company Profile, set your number of permitted groups and hit save, and you'll then see that feature in both the portal and iPad versions. Thank you very much.